language, there was a famine. That means there was no food at all. People were starving and hungry all the time.
Then one day a strange-looking old man came to the village. He had a colorful robe and carried his stuff in his hand.
Very tired and very hungry.
The stranger met a little child.
Who are you? I'm an old and hungry man. Excuse me there.
Before the child could answer, the mother's voice was heard. Step away, child. I'm not here.
I'm sorry. You see my mother. Don't worry, Dad. It's okay. But what a pity. Dad, shouldn't you went to another house asking for some food? I'm very hungry. Please can you give me some bread? Sorry. I'm very poor and haven't got any bread.
Are you? What do you want?
I'm very hungry. Please can you give me some food?
I'm sorry. I haven't got any food. We are starving too.
The stranger was very sad and started thinking about how to get some food. What can I do? I'm very hungry and nobody wants to help me.
Suddenly, the stranger had a brilliant idea.
What an idea! What an idea! Crispy! Stone soup! Stone soup is delicious, but I need a big pot, some water, some wood, and this magic stone. A woman who was in the street heard what he was saying and said,
And some water. I'll bring it for you.
I have got some wood to make the fire. Super. Please, beautiful. Everybody going to sing a language.